Today we are going to convert this Samsung Galaxy S20 FE into a nothing phone. Now nothing phone is making waves in the tech industry, as we all know. So today I will tell you how to make a normal smartphone like this Samsung smartphone look and feel like a nothing phone. We will also add some hardware features like the LEDs on the back side. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for this procedure, you need a smartphone and a suitable back cover. A transparent one is preferred, a small SMD LED board, an IRF 840B MOSFET transistor and a 1 kΩ resistor, and a microphone module for connecting the notification sounds and LEDs, and also an OTG cable is preferred if you want to connect the LEDs from the smartphone's power itself. First of all, download Nova Launcher, then a Nothing icon pack from the Play Store, and this is a paid version. There's also a Nothing widget application that's also paid, you can install that, and there's KWGT custom widget maker. This allows us to make custom widget for Nothing phone. There's also Nothing phone to launcher application. This will help us to find Nothing phone wallpapers. First of all, go to Nova Launcher and set Nova Launcher as the default launcher. As you can see, our default launcher is now Nova Launcher. Then go to Nothing phone to Themes and Wallpaper and click on Apply Wallpaper and select a Nothing phone wallpaper. These are all inspired from Nothing phone, and this wallpaper looks similar to what the Nothing phone one come with. So we can set it that. Our wallpaper is set. We can open the Nothing phone widget application and get some widget, and then go to look and feel of Nova Launcher settings. We can select an icon pack from the bunch, and we are going to select Nothing icon pack. This gives a pixelated black and white look of Nothing phone too. We can also change the wallpaper to match the icon pack to a black and white one, so this is more matching. I have also added a Google Chrome Dino widget because that is also pixelated and seems like a Nothing phone one. To add the glyph interface, you need to put an SMD LED board between the back cover and phone. Better if you have a transparent back cover. You need to connect this MOSFET only if you are going to use it as a glyph interface for notification, because if you are using a microphone and the MOSFET, when the phone rings, the LED will also light up. But for this demonstration, I am just placing the LED because I don't have a transparent back cover. And that's it. Our Nothing phone 2 is ready with Nothing phone icons, wallpaper, themes, and the launcher also match what Nothing phone 2 comes with. Thanks for watching.